All right, so for everyday people, we're going to start working on the instrumental interlude using the pentatonic scale. Uh, we're going to start with chorus 2, so we're singing and playing, and then we're going to make that quick transition to where you are going to practice, I don't like that word, you're going to noodle with the pentatonic scale over that 8 measure solo, and then we'll do a little bit of the bridge to bring us back to singing. Here's our beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am everyday people. Yeah, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is a long hair that doesn't like the short hair. Let's do that one more time. 2, 3, 4. I am everyday people. Yeah, yeah. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is a long hair that doesn't like the short hair.